Hey, Dr. Mike here. Are you struggling to manage your diabetes? You're in the right place. Managing diabetes is a journey, and it's not always easy. But trust me, taking care of your health is the best investment you can make. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 vitamins every diabetic must take. These vitamins can help manage your blood sugar, protect your nerves, eyes, kidneys, heart, and more. Ready to take control of your diabetes? Keep watching. Alright, let's dive into our first essential vitamin, vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in our overall health. Known as the sunshine vitamin, our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. Just 10-30 minutes of midday sun several times a week can help maintain healthy levels. Many people with diabetes are deficient in vitamin D, which can exacerbate their condition. Studies link vitamin D deficiency to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, making it a critical nutrient for those managing this condition. Vitamin D regulates insulin production and sensitivity, which is vital for blood sugar control. Insulin is the key that lets glucose into cells for energy. Without enough vitamin D, this process can be less efficient. Vitamin D improves your body's response to insulin, keeping blood sugar levels in check and reducing the risk of complications. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, reducing diabetes complications and promoting overall well-being. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. People with diabetes are at higher risk of osteoporosis, so maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is crucial for bone health. The recommended daily intake for adults is around 600 IU, but consult your doctor for the right dosage tailored to your needs. You can get vitamin D from fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods like cereals and dairy products. Sometimes diet alone isn't enough, and that's where supplements come in to fill the gap. Talk to your doctor about a blood test to check your vitamin D levels and ensure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. Moving on to our next essential vitamin, vitamin E. This vitamin is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining our health, especially for those managing diabetes. This powerful antioxidant fights off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause significant damage if not neutralized. Free radicals can damage cells and tissues, increasing oxidative stress. This oxidative stress is particularly harmful for individuals with diabetes. High blood sugar levels increase oxidative stress, leading to complications. These complications can range from cardiovascular issues to nerve damage. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, protecting cells, and reducing inflammation. This reduction in inflammation is vital for preventing long-term damage. Studies show vitamin E can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body can use insulin more effectively. It's also great for your heart, lowering LDL cholesterol and improving blood flow. Better blood flow means a healthier cardiovascular system. Vitamin E can help with diabetic nerve pain by protecting nerves from damage. This can significantly improve quality of life for those suffering from neuropathy. Good sources include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you meet your vitamin E needs naturally. Consult your doctor about the right dosage, as high doses can have negative effects. It's important to find a balance that works for you. Vitamin E supplementation can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This makes it a valuable addition to your health regimen. It can also reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Regular intake of vitamin E supports overall cardiovascular health. Vitamin E is essential for overall health and well-being. Ensuring you get enough can help you lead a more active and fulfilling life. Make sure you're getting enough through diet or supplements. A balanced approach will help you reap the full benefits of this powerful antioxidant. Number 3, vitamin B12, the nerve protector for diabetes. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining overall nerve health, which is particularly important for individuals managing diabetes. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health, cell growth, and red blood cell formation. It supports the protective covering of nerves, known as the myelin sheath, which ensures efficient nerve signal transmission. People with diabetes are at increased risk of nerve damage, known as diabetic neuropathy. This condition can severely impact quality of life if not managed properly. This condition can cause pain, numbness, and weakness in various body parts. Early detection and management are key to preventing further complications. Vitamin B12 helps protect nerves from damage and can repair existing damage. Regular intake can significantly improve nerve health and function. Studies show vitamin B12 supplementation improves nerve function and reduces pain. Research continues to uncover more benefits of this vital nutrient. It's also essential for energy production, converting food into usable energy. Without adequate B12, you may feel fatigued and weak. Vitamin B12 helps prevent anemia, ensuring enough healthy red blood cells. Anemia can lead to severe fatigue and other health issues. Animal products are the best sources of vitamin B12, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. These foods should be part of a balanced diet. Vegetarians and vegans may need supplements as plant-based foods lack B12. It's important to find alternative sources to meet daily requirements. Consult your doctor for the right dosage and to check your B12 levels. Regular monitoring can help maintain optimal health. Vitamin B12 is vital for overall health and managing diabetes complications. Incorporating it into your routine can make a significant difference. Ensure you're getting enough through diet or supplements. Taking proactive steps can help you lead a healthier, more comfortable life. So there you have it. The top 3 vitamins every diabetic must take. Managing diabetes is a marathon, not a sprint. Sustainable lifestyle changes support your overall well-being. Adding these vitamins to your routine can help manage blood sugar and prevent complications. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. They can help determine the right dosage and ensure no interactions with other medications. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.